Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two platforms to help you decide which of these would be a better choice for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about these two platforms, which is Yahoo Fantasy Football and ESPN Fantasy Football. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Yahoo Fantasy Football, it shines with its modern interface, customizable league settings, and powerful draft tools. It's great for serious players who wants depth, live update, and integration like best ball and DFS. So talking about the advantages part of this platform, it comes with a strong optimization, smooth drafting, and rich league history tracking. However, its busy interface and hands-on can feel overwhelmed, especially for casual users. On the other hand, talking about ESPN Fantasy Football is all about simplicity and reliability. The app is stable, easy to navigate, and its predictions and alerts are clear, making it perfect for beginners or casual leagues. Talking about the advantages part, it includes a massive user base, consistent update, and straightforward design. Talking about the downside as well, it's less flexibility, fewer customization options, and a weak advanced analytics compared to Yahoo. In my conclusion, Yahoo is still best for advanced player, while ESPN wins for casual fun. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and quickly subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.